What's up world, Logan here. Since many of us are now working from home to stay away from COVID-19, I figured we should look at some work from home gadgets and apps that make your life easier. So first, a laptop stand. Trust me, your neck and shoulders will thank you later. A stand can provide some ergonomic comfort, free up some space, and prevent the laptop from overheating. This particular stand I have with me here is also foldable and adjustable, making it more flexible and easier to store away. Now, laptop keyboards and trackpads are fine over a short period of time, but if you are going to spend some serious time working remotely, get a good keyboard and mouse. The LOGITECH K780 multi-device keyboard can connect up to 3 devices at a time, so it can act as a keyboard for your computer, tablet, and smartphone at the same time. In addition, the keyboard can act as an angled cradle for your smaller devices. Similar to the keyboard, the Logitech M720 Triathlon mouse can also sync up to 3 devices wirelessly. It is comfortable in the hands, and its hyper-fast scrolling mode makes navigating very long documents a breeze. With the work-from-home arrangement, you're more likely to get more text and messages over the phone. Having your phone pinned right next to your laptop screen would let you read your messages more easily. This magnetic phone holder does the job. I also have this magnetic cable that charges up my phone so that it won't die on me when it is most needed. Working from home also means working with your family around. A good pair of noise-cancelling headphones, such as the good old Bose QuietComfort 35 Mark II, may be very much needed under these circumstances. Headphones are helpful for cranking up some music without bothering everyone else, and for better sound quality on video meetings too. If you find yourself missing the chat of your colleagues or the general noise of the office, try Coffitivity.com. It creates the ambient noise of cafes to boost your creativity and help you work better. Another app which comes in handy is Forest. Let's just admit it, it is sometimes more tempting to procrastinate when you're at home. If you need help keeping off your phone in order to stay on track, try Forest. The app relies on a simple but effective motivation. The longer you avoid your phone, the bigger the app's digital forest grows. As virtual trees multiply, you're rewarded with coins that you can spend to support the planting of real trees. Not too bad helping the planet along the way, huh? All work no fun is no good. So take a rest here and there and maybe Netflix on your phone with this phone magnifying device. Oh, and also have a cup of tea with this Savor Tea Mug from Po. The specially designed silicone lid allows tea bag squeezing and storing to avoid overbrewing. So there you go, 10 gadgets and apps to help you get through this work from home period. What are your thoughts? Comments below. Log out.